What's the meaning of biped? Biped. Biped.
Biped. Biped. The term biped is used to describe an organism that walks on two legs. This can refer to a wide variety of animals, from humans and primates to birds and dinosaurs. The ability to walk on two legs allows for greater mobility and frees up the forelimbs for other tasks, such as carrying objects or manipulating tools. However, bipedalism also requires a number of adaptations in the skeletal and muscular systems, as well as changes in the brain and nervous system. These adaptations have evolved independently in multiple lineages over the course of evolutionary history, and continue to be a subject of fascination for scientists studying the evolution of life on Earth.